Hi, my name's Carter, and today I will be reviewing the umerex Legends p.08 pistol. I've used this a couple times, but yeah, the grip is really nice on it. To load it, you have to hit this button right there, and the clip should fall out, and then you can do this, and load this, and then push it right in that little spot there, then load it right in that hole. And we'll just get our BBs and pop them in. Shit, it's tilted again. Do it like that then, maybe. Okay, then pop it down. And then first, you gotta take this, and then you really gotta kinda, other side, you gotta pop this off. I just put my top finger there, pop it off. Then you gotta pry this, unloosen it as much as possible to fit the CO2 in. Okay, then you'll pop this in, and you'll know it's secured once you stop hearing the hissing sound, and you kind of want to do it fast too, so I'll have to set my thing down right here to do this real fast. Okay. You gotta just twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, and then hear that hiss? That's how you know it's in. Load your mag, pop this in, and then it's ready to fire. I will be shooting at this pop can from right here. Let me just set the camera over there real quick. Now that I've got it set there, let me go back and shoot at it. As you can tell, it's not the most accurate from a farther distance, but it's pretty accurate if you get closer than what I was at, and it's a fun little gun. The grip is really nice. I'll give it probably 8.5 out of 10. Fun little pistol.